जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पोल चल रहा है और पोल के सवाल 2 हैं। एक ये है कि क्या जुल्फ़ी इज़ अ गुड गाय और अ बैड गाय? आप बताएँ। दूसरा, सुंबल या सवेरा, जुल्फ़ी किस तरफ रुझान है उसका? आप बताएँ। पोल रिलीज़ होगा बाद में, बट डू कैच मी ऑन समथिंग हॉट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस वंडरफुल कन्वर्सेशन जिसमें जुल्फ़ी और बेशतर हमारी बातें होंगी। डोंट फॉरगेट टू सी इट एंड द पोल।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ आमना, यू आर वॉचिंग समथिंग हॉट। और मेरे साथ आज जो अदाकार हैं, ही इज़ अनडिनाइबली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वेल रेड एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट एक्टर्स इन पाकिस्तान। इनके इंटरव्यू मैं पिछले साल कर चुकी हूँ, हमें कोविड की वजह से जूम पे करना पड़ा। अभी आप इनको आजकल देख रहे हैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ड्रामा सीरियल दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं में। ही इज़ प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर दैट इज़ जस्ट इज़ ग्रे। लोगों को उम्मीद है कैरेक्टर से कि शायद इनमें कोई सिल्वर स्ट्रीक हो, लेकिन अभी तक तो नज़र नहीं आ रही। शायद इस किस्त में थोड़ी बहुत आई भी है। I'm really happy that we're having this conversation today. I wouldn't call it an interview. It's more of going to be a conversation about the drama. क्यों इस पे बैन लगा, इसकी क्या मकसद है ऐसा ड्रामा बनाने का? Are people watching? Should more people watch? Why and how? Assalamu alaikum, Umair. Thank you. I didn't know that you had shifted to Karachi. Otherwise, we would have had this conversation a long time ago. बिल्कुल. But it's great to see you back on screen. और बैक टू बैक आपने 3 ऐसे रोल किए हैं which were very grey. एक तो आपने बहुत बड़ा बयान दिया था प्यार के सिरके के वक्त के सर्वर इज नॉट अ विलन, ठक ठक ठक, but for us he was. And of course your character in Churales also very very grey, very dubious. मगर आप हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि हर कैरेक्टर का एक बैकग्राउंड होता है, उसको समझना पड़ता है, ग्रे होता है, nobody is black or white. हमारे ड्रामों में अमूमन ब्लैक और वाइट ही पेंट किया जाता है। जुल्फ़ी इज़ अ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर। दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं में लग ऐसा रहा है दैट ही समबडी हु विजिट्स द सुरैया बेगम्स, क्या कहूँगी, ब्रॉथल तो नहीं कहूँगी लेकिन है दोस्त भी लगता है। लेकिन एक किस्म में जो हमारी प्रोटैगनिस्ट है सुंबुल, वो कहती है कि ये भी उतना ही साइको है जितने बाकी हैं। So, पहली बात तो ये है that what do you feel about the drama before we get to the character?
I particularly sitting across you right now, उसकी बुनियादी वजह यही है because I have very high regard for what people have done, which essentially was कि आपने इस खेल को वो इज्जत बख्शी जो कि वाकई deserves. Because I felt as if it's not in the market sense being received as or pushed as well as it truly deserves. और ये ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि लोगों को वाकई देखनी चाहिए, जिन्होंने मिस किया फिर they can catch up और catch it online whenever it does,
बिल्कुल,
ताकि हम redefine करें standards of quality. और क्वालिटी से मुराद ये नहीं है कि कितना अच्छा काम है, क्वालिटी से मुराद ये है कि कितना पसंद आ रहा है आप लोगों को। तो ऑडियंस जब इसको देख के रीडिफाइन करेगी ना कि हमें इस तरह की चीज़ें पसंद है, तो फिर ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोड्यूसर्स, ब्रॉडकास्टर्स, एवरीवन इज स्पॉन्सर्स आर फोर्स्ड टू क्रिएट दैट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर.
right.
And the drama itself, I, for the same reasons that you said, I signed myself to the project. And
Right.
I don't know हाथों से मैंने दस्तखत किए थे
बिल्कुल,
कि I would embrace it that much. And I think exactly जो उसकी रूह है, जो लय है, वो लोग जो पसीराई कर रहे हैं, वो appreciating it, that's exactly the spirit of me being part of it as well. Why I'm part of it and what I think about it.
right.
बिल्कुल.
So, मैं human trafficking is a really serious problem. और लोगों का ये ख्याल है, initially ये ख्याल था कि it was just about the sex trade, कि trafficking of women, किस तरीके से, but then Dil Na Umeed To Nahi addressed so many different issues on so many different levels, whether it was child labor, child trafficking, child brides, and then of course the ultimate sex trafficking in Pakistan.
Yeah.
लोगों का बहुत बड़ा सवाल था कि बाकी तो चलो ठीक है, हम देखते हैं घरों में चाइल्ड लेबर भी है, उनको मिसट्रीट भी किया जाता है, चाइल्ड ब्राइड्स भी बिकम पार्ट ऑफ द हेडलाइंस, लेकिन ये जो सेक्स ट्रेड है ये तो पाकिस्तान में नहीं होती। एक ये है मिसकंसेप्शन।
I think इसके दो पहलू हैं मेरे नज़दीक. एक पहलू ये है कि इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर अस नॉट टू लुक एट इट, टर्न अ ब्लाइंड आई, या फिर उनको उस तरह सोसाइटल तौर पे जज किया जाए कि ये देखो कितनी घटिया हरकत करते हैं, एज इफ ये ढूंढ रहे हैं और चुन के करते हैं, और हर एक चुन के करता है, एज इफ दैट्स द ओपिनियन. it's very convenient for us. It's very convenient to feel as if कि मैं सही हूँ अगला गलत है. I would discourage that. I would say that इस खेल के ज़रिए हम लोग कम से कम उस सच के ऊपर रोशनी डाल रहे हैं कि थोड़ा एहसास हो कि ये कौन है, इनकी कहानियाँ क्या हैं. I mean, just this statement alone should jolt us. ये भी किसी की बेटी है जो कि इस मौके पे ये इस काम तक पहुंच गई है. You know, so that should jolt us. दूसरा, the facts have been brought forward, and let me be very honest with you, because many people जो इसका reaction usually आता है ना, anti state आ जाता है.
बिल्कुल बैन भी लगा.
बैन भी लगा. Let's be very honest with you. If I have to prove my patriotism, I've not been patriotic enough in life. I'll lay my life for my state, for my country, for my children, for my generations to come. This is who I am. I don't need to defend myself. और मैं कभी अपने आप को जानते हुए किसी ऐसी चीज़ से ना जोड़ूं जो कि मुझे लगे कि यहाँ कोई एजेंडा जो है ना मेरे लोगों के खिलाफ का चले.
Right.
ये लेकिन मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि अच्छा आर्ट जो है, अच्छा आर्ट वो अदब के दायरे में रहते हुए कोशिश करता है कि ज़रा एक जोल्ट मिले कि आप अपने ऊपर अपनी कौम के तौर पर इंफरादी तौर पे भी यू रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन योरसेल्व्स कि हम क्या सही कर रहे हैं. लेट्स कीप डूइंग दैट, बी प्राउड ऑफ इट. मिसाल के तौर पे वी आर जेनरस नेशन. इस कहानी में जगह जगह आपको जेनरसिटी नजर आएगी,
आ रही है.
और वो है, और वो हम हैं, और हमें फख्र करना चाहिए. साथ ही साथ हमारे यहाँ कौन कौन से ऐब हैं जो कि अच्छाई या खूबसूरती के अंदर छुपे हुए हैं, उनको देखें, सही नजर से देखें, और फिर उसके बारे में करना क्या है. And it all Amna comes down, if you notice, as a societal responsibility of raising children. वो जो proverb है ना, it takes a village to raise a child. It's not just created from mid-air.
बिल्कुल.
तो देखिए आप, एक पिंड जो है, एक मोहल्ला जो है, जब एक अपने बच्चों के ख्याल रखता है तो वो इस नैश तक नहीं पहुंचते कि वो अपने माँ को छोड़ के गांव से भाग जाए, कि वो अपनी बेटी की शादी करवा दे, बेच दे मोरलेस, क्या, या फिर इस ट्रेड में ले आए. So everyone looks after each other. So this is our responsibility.
Right.
So I think it's bringing justice to that, and we should embrace it. ये सच है.
Why does the state feel threatened, or why do people feel upset? Why do they get upset when they see this on television? Because खबरों पे तो हम देख रहे हैं सब कुछ, और constantly churn out हो रहा है. It's being recycled, regurgitated. वही information. So many rapes are happening. So much abduction. So much child abuse. ये सब कुछ तो खबरनामे में आ रहा है.
मैं इसमें जरूर इतना कहूँगा कि देखें, जब कोई चीज़ खबर बनती है ना, वो खबर इसलिए है क्योंकि वो आम और मेजॉरिटी नहीं है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. लेकिन इतनी अलार्मिंग क्वांटिटी या वाकया इतना अलार्मिंग है कि हम लोग अभी से ज़रा कुछ ख्याल रखें. मिसाल के तौर पे, अगर ये खबर है कि मेरे बच्चे ने चोरी की है, तो मेरे लिए खबर ही है इसलिए बनी है क्योंकि मुझे पता है चोरी नहीं करता. लेकिन ये इतना बड़ा वाकया मेरे लिए ज़रूर है कि मैं अभी से इसके ऊपर कोई ध्यान रखूँ, वरना आगे जाके कत्ल करके आएगा. जो दैट्स द प्रोविंशियल विजडम दैट कम्स फ्रॉम पंजाब एंड लैंड्स एवरीवेयर, राइट. अभी रोक लो कि खराब हाथ से ना निकले. So let's accept.
But that's not how we portray or project news and information.
No. We sell news down the throat that this is happening everywhere.
Everywhere, but that is also
but why is that happening? क्योंकि fear sells. खौफ बिकता है, तो इतना खौफ. And look at our news channels, and I'm going to hold them accountable to this. Our news channels are more entertaining than us entertainment channels.
Yeah.
Have you ever, दुनिया में आप कौन से news channels देखेंगे सिवाय इंडिया और पाकिस्तान majority, कि जब कोई sad news होती है तो एक violin बज रहा होता है, और जब खौफनाक होता है धड़न बैंग.
नहीं, और जब एक प्लेन क्रैश होता है तो एक एनिमेशन वो चला देते हैं.
बिल्कुल, which is more horrendous than the accident.
Absolutely.
You know, so we do that. So ये हम बेचते हैं, ये बिकता है, you know, और फिर वो अल्फाज इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं.
सनसनी भी बिकती है.
सनसनी. I have had the privilege of training certain now senior anchors. उनकी voice pitch I had to manage because अब क्या है, खबर आवाज जो है वो यहाँ से नाज़रीन शुरू होती है.
बिल्कुल.
Oh my God. So this is being sold. It's being pushed down our throat.
Right.
On the contrary, why do people react to, coming back to your question, you said, state के level पे people can react because a lot of anti-state which has been used against the state. Let's be honest and accept ये हुआ है. A lot of NGOs have come in place. That is true. तो वो भी खौफज़दा हो गए कि इसको यहाँ से penetrate करें, rather soft war पे आ गए. I understand that, fine. लेकिन हर चीज़ इसमें नहीं होती.
You mean there's politics behind it?
Yeah, it's been.
There's politics
in many places. In many anti-Pakistan imagery that has been gone out. For example, the report that I was recently coming across कि USA में पहली बार पाकिस्तान का नाम टेररिज्म या बैड न्यूज से एसोसिएट नहीं किया गया. This is a poll that came in. Isn't that a refreshing news?
It is, yeah.
Because Pakistan has always been projected that way.
Right.
And I would like my country to be projected for what it actually is. Look where we are, look what we're doing, right?
But the world at large may not be interested in that angle of Pakistan.
I know, वो बिकता नहीं है ना.
बिकता
जैसे
नहीं
I
है.
remember International Theatre Festival जो रफ़ी पीर करते थे, इतना कमाल.
बिल्कुल.
उस पे एक stupid किस्म का पटाखा बॉम्ब फटा था. And they called BBC in front of me and they said, this has happened, we want you to stand for us, stand by us. He said, how many people died? It's like, what? It's like, yeah, if there's no dead bodies, we won't report it. How sad is that?
Yeah.
So, वो भी वही formula है ना,
Formula
दिखता
वही है.
क्या है. But at an individual level, people are scared because these are taboo issues.
Right.
How many
वो
people,
भी एक एंगल है, right?
जो कि एक हद तक I understand कि किसी चीज़ों पे पर्दा रखना चाहिए, उसकी बात करने का तरीका सही होना चाहिए, मैं बिल्कुल इसके हाथ में हूँ.
Right.
लेकिन आप आंखें मीट नहीं सकते. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मेरा बेटा चोर नहीं हो सकता.
तो थोड़ा कैश 22 नहीं है क्योंकि आपने पर्दा भी रखना है, उसको टैक्टफुली भी प्रोजेक्ट करना है. हम अभी सेक्स ट्रेड की बात करते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप सनसनी नहीं करेंगे अपने तो बिकेगा नहीं. तो ये तो कैश 22 है जो कि मेरे ख्याल है कि कुछ दिल नौमीद के साथ हो रहा है ये, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लैंडेड ऑन वन ऑफ द टॉप 3 चैनल्स जिनकी व्यूअरशिप आती है, जिनके टीआरपीज आते हैं. ऊपर से लोग जो देखने वाले हैं उनको लगता है जैसे बहुत डार्क है, रिलीफ ही नहीं है. जो पिछला कश्फ का था, ऑफ कोर्स बारिंग उडारी हैड अ लाइटर साइड एज वेल. उसमें थोड़ा म्यूजिक भी था, थोड़ी रिलीफ भी थी. दिल ना उम्मीद देखते हुए मुझे ऐसा लगता है एज अ क्रिटिक एंड एज a student of literature, I can watch it and enjoy it as dark content. Unapologetically. लेकिन अगर मैं एक व्यूअर होती और मुझे एंटरटेन होना होता शाम को बैठ के, तो मैं ना देखती.
That's true.
So then, should it have been then addressed or tackled in a different, lighter way?
I think it's possible. I'm sure there is possibilities. इसके बीच में मुझे कहीं everyday wit कभी कहीं ना कहीं नजर आती है. This one character, the dark trader of this किरदार का नाम मैं भूल रहा हूँ, जो कि बच्चे से भीख मंगवाते हैं फिर उसको नौकरी पे लगवाते हैं.
बाबा रांझा.
What a beautiful, right? बाबा रांझा के अपने अंदाज में, and you're always wondering कि यार ये इतनी vicious काम कराता है और शेर व शायरी और गा रहा है. I think that's the only way extreme that likeness goes. And knowing Kashif Nisar, and every director has their preference in certain ways, right? Kashif Nisar is an unapologetic director. जो कि जैसे when I came back to TV, Ullu Barai Farokhney was the one that he got me into. It's dark. He likes the dark truth to come out the way it is.
Right.
And he's unapologetic, as I said. I think इसमें कोई हर्ज नहीं है. मुझे जो एक चीज़ मुझे जो नहीं अच्छी लगती ना, वो ये है कि आप लोगों को राजी रखने के अंदर अपने पैगाम को डाइल्यूट करते हैं. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. आप अपने पैगाम को रखें, लेकिन कोशिश करें वो कायल करें. और मैं इसमें 2 चीज़ें ज़रूर कहूँगा. एक, you've got names like Noman Ijaz, Yumna Zaidi.
Right.
I mean, you've got Samia Mumtaz, Noor Hassan, Daveed Shahzad.
Yeah.
I mean, such amazing actors. That alone should be the credibility कि ये काम अच्छा होगा. कितना भी बुरा हो सकता है. Right? दूसरा फिर इसमें जो और मुझे पहलू जो लगता है वो यही है कि channels sometimes, and this is what I think has been the major issue. ये broadcasting channels जो थे ना, the big ones, have not taken it up, and therefore it is not pushed as much as it could have. उनकी क्या वजूहात थी वो बेहतर बता सकते हैं. वो बता सकते हैं या बेचने वाले बता सकते हैं.
अगर आपको पता है आप भी बता सकते हैं.
नहीं, मुझे frankly पता भी नहीं है. मैं अंदाज़ा लगा सकता हूँ. एक वजह ये हो सकती है कि लेन देन के हिसाब से उनकी नेगोशिएशन नहीं बनी होगी. एक वजह ये हो सकती है कि कंट्रोल के हवाले से नहीं बात बनी होगी. बिकॉज एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑल्सो, बहुत मुमकिन नहीं है. तीसरा ये वजह हो सकती है कि कंटेंट के कंट्रोल, ये दोनों को मिला लें अगर, कि कंटेंट का हमारा कंट्रोल भी हो, हम कंटेंट मैनिपुलेट भी करना चाहें तो कर सकें, जिसमें हम मसाला डालना चाहें डाल सकें, जिस पे चंद लोगों ने शायद रुकावट दी होगी कि नहीं हम ये नहीं करेंगे. तो बेहतर है कि थोड़े कम में बेच दें, लेकिन जो चाहते हैं वो बेचें. यू नो, जो पैगाम देना चाहते हैं वो बेचें. So in that case, I commend TV1 for doing that, and I know their history has been of the variety and bold variety that they've done. So I'm happy with that.
Right.
Although I'll be very honest, मैं थोड़ा apprehensive था. As an actor, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये पैगाम जितने ज़्यादा लोगों को जाए. That was मेरा लालच ये था.
बिल्कुल.
And I think it'll come through. I think it'll come through effectively. People from India have been messaging me. You know, randomly I've been receiving messages. और वो वाकई कदरदान है और कहते हैं कि ये काम हर जगह होता है, हिंदुस्तान में नहीं हो रहा है, तो वहाँ भी डायलॉग शुरू हो गया इस बात. यू नो, I'm saying this on purpose because it's not an anti-state thing.
Yeah,
You know, it's happening everywhere.
it's happening.
And they're
everywhere.
talking about this there as well.
Right.
So they're thanking us कि आपने ये बात की है.
Right.
Because it's happening everywhere.
Absolutely. Your character.
Yeah.
And
Zulfi.
all the characters in that house, Suraya Begum's house, was there some comparison yardstick के or you know थे ऐसे characters आप लोगों के सामने? Was there any research that went into them?
There was a lot of research that went into these characters when they were being written.
Right.
I personally did not ask कि कौन थे उनकी मुझे कहानियाँ सुनाएं. मौजू भी ऐसा है कि I would rather not.
Right.
अगर इंटरनेशनल होता है फॉरेन होता तो मैं पूछता निकाल लेता. लेकिन fortunately, unfortunately, I have some idea of this weird dark culture.
Right.
And I have some idea of कौन से लोग क्या काम मर्द खास तौर पे किस तरह बिहेव करते हैं, which is shocking. Let me reveal to you today, I once had a very painful, awkward conversation with a young girl who was selling herself for money. And she belonged to a prestigious college in Lahore. And I was young, I was shocked to hear कि ये भी हो सकते हैं. You know, आपने जिंदगी को पहलू नहीं देखे होते आप जो हम लोग कहते हैं ना burger the bubble that we move in. आपने ये harsh realities नहीं देखी होती, आप protected होते हैं. We're privileged that way. That was one of the most major shockers I had. तब से लेके अब तक, with more white hair on my head and chin, I've been able to understand the ugly bellies of societies and how and why they operate. वो मुकालमा जो मेरा उसके साथ था was riveting. It changed my perspective, paradigm shift, it shattered it. So that came after all those years came back to help me.
Right.
कि मैं किस नजरिए किस पहलू से इसको देख सकता हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
So, and वो वाले काम helped me, but beyond that, I did not know of anyone who's actually doing these things that Zulfi is doing.
Yeah.
But
what is Zulfi doing? बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग उसको डायलॉग एक इसमें
लास्ट वाला जो था.
हाँ. सुरेश क्या नाम है उसका?
यासराज
कैरेक्टर कौन सी बाजी है? सवेरा बाजी कहती है ना कि तुम कौन हो, तुम क्या हो. तो वही बात है, समझ नहीं आ रही जुल्फी की.
और घूम के सवाल का जवाब सवाल में ही देते हैं ना.
हाँ.
तो फिर मैं भी वही करने लगा. What do you think?
The thing is कि the title of the play दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं, वही बात है ना कि जितनी भी अंधेरी रात हो सवेरा तो होगा,
सुबह तो होगा, शाम मगर
शाम ही तो है. एग्जैक्टली. तो दिन तो चढ़ेगा, तो कभी ना कभी कोई तो रोशनी की किरण होगी और हर एक की जिंदगी में होती है. सो आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग फॉर दोज लिटिल रेज ऑफ लाइट. मुझे बाबा रांझा से भी उम्मीद थी बिकॉज वो इतना ही हैड सो मच फ्लेयर एंड मतलब ये इतना इवल नहीं हो सकता. शायद नहीं था जितना हो सकता था. यू नो, वो कहते हैं ना कि फेंका भी तो छाँव में. छाँव में नहीं फेंका उसने, मगर फिर भी छाँव मिल गई ना उसको, बिकॉज नेबरहुड में उसको छाँव मिल गई. ही इज इन दैट, मतलब ही इज बीन sort of detected. देख लिया उसको किसी ने, कोई उसको बचा लेगा. तो सिमिलरली मुझे जुल्फी के कैरेक्टर में ये उम्मीद है कि शायद ये सिल्वर लाइनिंग है, मगर फिर वो उसका संबल का वापस आता है डायलॉग कि ये भी उतना ही साइको है जितना पाशा है. जितना पाशा है, गो कि अभी तक वो लग नहीं रहा बिल्कुल भी.
आई थिंक दो मेरे लिए जितना ग्रे जुल्फी था ना, आई हैव नॉट हैड सच अ जॉय इन सच ग्रे कैरेक्टर. और मुझे डायरेक्शन काशिफ निसार ने दी थी कि पता ही ना लगे कि हिगा कौन है.
नहीं पता लग रहा फिर.
I said, okay, fine. And that is the way he's going to operate. And of course, the way it's scripted and directed, it helps me, right? It's all there to support. Lekin, in the super objective of the script, because we talk in the literature sense of it, this is how this play is a success. कि आपको अंधेरे में डूबते हुए को तिनका ढूंढ रहा होता है, और आप ऑडियंस के तौर पे तिनके की तलाश कि यार कौन होगा जो इनको निकालेगा,
कौन निकालेगा, कैसे निकलेंगे.
एंड फिर आप मुड़ के इस तरफ देखते हैं, शायद ये कि नहीं ये तो कुछ और था, फिर शायद ये पता नहीं कुछ और था. एंड यू होल्डिंग ऑन टू वेरियस होप्स. आई थिंक दैट्स अ पर्सनल एग्जिस्टेंशियल लेसन टू बी टेकन आउट ऑफ दिस, कि उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी. आप हाथ पैर मारते रहो, उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी, बिकॉज द मोमेंट दैट इज गॉन, you're gone. So जुल्फी में लोगों को फिलहाल कभी कभार कोई उम्मीद की किरण नजर आती है, फाइन. that be the case. क्या वो उतरता है उस पे, क्या बाबा रांझा उतरता है, या कोई तीसरा चौथा किरदार उतरता है? We'll see how it goes. But again, this is what I love. अब मिसाल के तौर पे look at बाबा रांझा. अगर एक typical आम फिल्म किस्म की स्क्रिप्ट होती तो वो typical है ना, I'll tell you वो क्या होता है. एक आई पैच होता kind,
लंगड़ा रहा होता है,
लंगड़ा रहा होता है ना, इसी that, right? All that is like a D'Souza kind जैसे भी होता है, और फिर हाथ काट रहा होता, मार रहा होता, things like that. But look at that, he's made it so murky, and very odd.
It's ambiguous.
Ambiguous. और मुझे यही चीज पसंद है इन सारे किरदारों में जो बेशतर जो नजर आए हैं, जो कि facilitate कर रहे हैं the protagonists. That's how it's moving. So Zulfi is one of them.
Zulfi is one of them. Do you think that the cast plays a major role in the success of a drama? I mean, I'm talking about success in the terms of numbers. बहुत से लोग देख रहे हैं दिल ना उम्मीद because Yumna रहती है. And she's got this massive fan base.
And duly so.
And duly so, absolutely. आपने पहले भी उनके साथ काम किया है. You know that. Is that fair to a script? Should new people be put into important roles so that new stars are made, or?
Well, I think it's kind of fair. I'll tell you why. Because जो आपने सवाल पूछा था ना earlier, this is the answer to that question. I've said it in many forums, many times. Being a student of economics and management, marketing, and then the arts, the difference between quality and grade. Quality is what the audience wants. Grade is एक adab kala standard, right? So give the people what they want so that they come watch something of grade, right? And I've often quoted this because Shakespeare would do the same. You know, in the same breath of one script, he'll be performing for the standing crowd, right? जो कि tuppence भी नहीं दे सकते.
Absolutely.
And is giving.
And the queen would be
the queen would be in the halls as well, right? So you've got that, जिसमें वो sex और raunchy बातें भी हो रही हैं, जादू की बातें हो रही हैं, slapstick comedy भी हो रही है, फिर to be or not to be भी हो रहा है, you know, आधा और dagger before my mind. I mean वो भी बातें हो रही हैं. So what are you doing? You are in the local language lollipop देके you calling people in. और फिर लेकिन आप उसके बाद आप क्या करते हैं is up to you now.
Right.
This is the honesty and sincerity of your art.
Right.
I've called you in. But what am I going to show you, right? I give you the golden arches, but am I going to give you recycled meat or am I going to give you fresh meat, right? That's the difference for me. So, यहाँ you take someone like Yumna Zaidi, who's not just and look at this. Why I'm saying Yumna Zaidi and Noman Ijaz, for example, they're not social media heroes.
No.
They're artists.
Yeah.
They're true actors. Look at the followers that they have on social media and look at the actual work that they contribute. And yet so many people regard them at that
Absolutely.
level. Why? Because it's purely their art, right? As opposed to, without taking names, people who are purely social media fame and cannot unfortunately contribute in the art that they claim to be part of. Right?
But Umair, is there any art to be watched on television anymore? I mean, how many projects do you see that you can actually call art?
I agree with you there. I think predominantly बहुत dilute हो गया because it's more of marketable, sellable, regurgitated fast food stuff.
Fast food बिक रहा है ना?
Right? So it's not...
the junk है basically.
It's not junk. Majority अब मुझे वही बात याद आ रही है हसीना मोइन साहिबा मरहुमा उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर 70 ड्रामा में से 2 भी अगर चल गए तो क्या बड़ा रेवोल्यूशन आ गया. राइट. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं क्वांटिटी के ऊपर कर रहे हैं.
तो आप जैसा एक्टर आप जैसा आर्टिस्ट जो है वो साल में एक ड्रामा कर लेता है but that's not enough.
Of course not.
So then how do you satisfy your urge for art?
I think
theater भी नहीं हो रहा अब. You're primarily also a stage actor, so वो भी नहीं हो रहा.
That's true. मेरे लिए फिर ये होता है कि at least जो किया है वो अच्छा किया है is enough sometimes for us. So you work and again I've been very fortunate. कि look at प्यार के सबके with Farooq and the team. Look at this with Kashim San and the team. So I've been fortunate enough to working with the right people at the right time, good team. This मेरा रिस्क हलाल यहाँ होता है कि एक अच्छा काम था, अच्छा पर्पस था, आपने तरीके से किया, अदब से किया, and you're done. So I'd rather do that than do 7 or 10 of them, which is just blah, you know.
Right.
वो फिर मुश्किल हो. मेरे लिए ज़ाती तौर पे बहुत तकलीफ होती है.
आपको ये ऐसा लगता है that you're being cast in the similar kind of role?
I had been.
You have been.
I had been.
पिछले 3 जो हैं आपके.
You're
playing very shady characters, like you know, very shady characters.
But वही हुआ था जब प्यार के साथ कभी खत्म भी नहीं हुआ था शूट, तो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जब हुई थी तो I announced I'm not signing any new negative characters.
Right, and then you did.
Negative character pigeonholing हो रही थी तो obviously having studied law,
and then you did.
I phrased very rightly. I'm not signing any new characters,
right,
which are going to be negative. So if I committed to any which were negative, I had to see them through.
Right.
which I hadn't. I mean, for example, Chudels was done by that time, I think.
ठीक है.
So I mean, obviously,
And वो भी बहुत negative था.
the negative side,
Absolutely.
that's true. But I did not and have not signed, and I've said no to so many, which are purely negative characters.
Right.
Just didn't want to do
Is
it.
there any character that you see on television right now and you feel that ये मैं करना चाहता हूँ. I wish I had done this character.
This particular character? I
Yeah.
have to think about it. TV pe aajkal, something that I would have liked to do.
Or what do you watch in television other than if
Well-
you watch your own work? Other than that, what do you watch in television these days?
I've been wanting to following Dunk.
Okay.
And I've been following Kashif's other project.
Rakib se?
Rakib's.
No, are you following or are you wanting
no,
to
no,
follow?
I'm 3 episodes behind, 4 episodes behind
Okay.
now. But like, I think I'm going to binge it
Right.
in one go. But that is a project I would have loved to be a part of.
Right.
वो बहुत बहुत शानदार.
So then my next question is that people like you who are educated, who are well read, are really selective about what they're watching. आप 2 drama serials देख रहे हैं. Masses, how do you hook masses onto art then? People aren't watching Rakib Se. It doesn't have the numbers that a drama that has, Sansani and the formula. It's not a formula drama.
No, you're right. I mean but that has been the debate all since
Of
ever
course,
since art.
but
has
how do
come,
we
right?
how do we solve it? I mean, Shakespeare again did sell to all
Then
crowds,
you need
right?
a Shakespeare. You need a Shakespeare to come through of this time, of this era, of this place. You need that कि जो कि वो डेली डाली करके बुलाए भी और फिर उसके बाद फिर आपको उठाए भी. And that's, I'll tell you why it's not happening. And I've been saying this so many times in the corridors. क्योंकि हमारे 2 जो वजूहात है उसमें एक प्राइमरी वजह जो है ना वो ये कि कोई लॉन्ग रन नहीं सोचता. Everyone is experienced in short run. ये चीज़ खत्म, ये चीज़ खत्म. अगर आपने इसको देरपा और तना करना है इसको, तो आप सर्दियों में जैसे दरख्तों को छांटी करते हैं ताकि गर्मियों तक वो तना उसको. You need to think long term and how does that work? And again, I'm quoting Shakespeare. उसके आप पहले खेल उठा के देख लो और आखिरी खेल उठा के देख लो. And they were all super hits, right? What was he doing? The content matures, gets pretty, awami at one point. फिर एक थोड़ा serious, फिर lots of awami,
Of course.
and then eventually dark and
Yeah.
serious. I mean,
Yeah.
you got Othello's and Henry V. I mean, you got all those. Audience को कर ली थी. What he was doing was over this time अपनी audience को educate करके train कर रहा था और उसको मजा दिला रहा था. जिस तरह अंग्रेज ने हमें चाय के ऊपर लगाया ना मुफ्त चाय दे के,
yeah.
right? So आपको थोड़ा सा मार्केट बनानी पड़ती है.
Right.
So, and I'm speaking the marketeer's language. When you do free sampling, so that people get hooked onto it, you need to do that to churn the quantity later on. So if you think long term, this is your strategy. लेकिन आपने सोचना ही myopic in short term है तो फिर जिस तरह चल रहा है चलता है.
चलता रहे. आपने कभी सोचा नहीं लिखने का? You never thought about writing?
I'm not as disciplined as writing. My wife is.
Right.
So she has and is writing, and I encourage her for that.
Okay, that's good.
So I
Drama
hope
serials?
she's done that as well. लिख के रखती है
अच्छा.
और मैं अब पंडोरे का डब्बा खुला है. तो मैं पंडोरा खुल चुका है. Let's see what happens. So she's now.
Maybe it's meant to be now that you're all moving to Karachi.
Yeah, that would be perfect, wouldn't it? Right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I think this is the time, and she would like to do so. And I was like, yeah, go ahead, do it. I just pointed the directions. इनको मिलो, देखो, but go through the mill. ताकि अंदाजा हो, and do you think we have it tough? Look what the writers are going through.
Yeah,
this
yeah,
year.
absolutely.
यार, oof.
वैसे I feel that आजकल writers की थोड़ी सी अच्छा वक्त है उनके लिए. They're getting recognition. I don't remember writers ever getting this kind of recognition.
And I will not accept that, unfortunately, until 2 things happen. One, the writers get royalties and residuals. जब तक writers को वो नहीं इज्जत मिलेगी, I will not accept it. I'm before actors and.
But I hear they get paid very well.
One-time payment and they're gone. And
Right.
for that, you need to be that writer
Right.
or be part of that name, as in उनकी टीम का हिस्सा बन जाए.
Right.
Essentially, आप उनके लिए लिख रहे हो, फिर आपको कुछ मिल जाएगा उसमें से.
ठीक है.
दूसरा, you need to have a stream. How does a writer? मेरे पास अगर कोई writer आता है कि जी मैंने लिखना है, what do I say to the writer? I mean, like my wife. If she says, "Okay, I've written something. What do I do?" I say, "Okay, just I know these people. Just go pitch
Go
it to
with
them."
them, yeah.
And Allah तुम्हारा हाफिज है. I don't know what's going to happen.
हाँ.
So be ready for rejections. You know. और the third thing is, मैंने 2 कहा था, मैं 3 को वादा कर रहा हूँ. Copyright, intellectual property right. How many times have I received stories from 3 different sources, virtually same.
Really.
और मुझे नहीं पता कि किसकी वो कहानी, एक की कहानी होगी, हर एक को सुनाई उसने, उन्होंने ट्विस्ट करके हमें भेज दिया. इसी तरह ड्रामे फिर ऑन एयर जाते हैं. एंड जैसे कि यार ये तो वो वाला ड्रामा नहीं है, उससे मिलता जुलता नहीं है, एक ही चैनल पे एक ड्रामा उतरा दूसरा चढ़ा है, वो एक ही कहानी है। I was like, oh my
मगर
God.
कहानियां भी तो दुनिया में लिमिटेड है ना, ये भी तो हमें पता है।
इनकी तो बिल्कुल ही बायोपिक हो गई है completely. It's like, are you serious? You know? So the writers need these three things. I've been actually been wanting to get some senior powerful writers जो कि पोजीशन में है ना, आप 5 राइटर्स को इकट्ठा कर लें, सब सीधे हो जाएंगे। आप इन 5-10 राइटर्स को कहना इकट्ठे होकर गिल्ड बना लें, you watch the content that will come out. इतना कंटेंट निकल के ब्रॉडकास्ट कहेगा मैं पैसे कहाँ संभालूं, इतना कंटेंट निकल रहा है, हम ये भी दे पा रहे हैं क्योंकि ब्रॉडकास्ट
मगर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है ना, नथिंग इज डिसिप्लिन्ड,
कि इसको ओटीटी पे भी हम डाल सकते हैं, हम ये भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी go ahead, do it. You'll have a plethora of writers. Unfortunately, that's not happening.
No, it's not. It's not. I'm going to go back to the dramas that you're watching or want to watch. Dunk, you said. There was huge controversy when Dunk was going to air with the promos and all, that do we need a drama that's defending even a alleged sexual harasser? What are your thoughts on that?
Well, I've gone through this rubbish.
Yeah, I didn't want to brush it myself,
No,
but
I'll bring
I'm
it out
glad that you
myself.
have.
I've gone through this, and or man, just I think in the conversation I was saying that I've worked with various organizations talking about gender at workplace, etc., etc. I know one of my babies that I've been so proud of and very hurt after the rubbish that was gone around was something we called Pink Noise.
Okay.
ये project जो मेरा था, and I work with Kinnaird College.
Right.
God bless them. हमने फोरम थिएटर एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, उसको हमने थिएटर ऑफ इंटेंट फ्रॉम स्केटमास प्लेटफॉर्म हमने बनाया, दैट वी नीड टू इनेबल आवर यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स बोथ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये जो नाइंसाफ़ी है ये किस किस शक्ल में आमतौर पे नज़र आती है, इट डजंट कम एज ब्लैक एंड वाइट जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, और उसके बाद में कौन कौन क्या क्या कर सकता है, राइट? सो इट्स एन एनेबलमेंट प्रोग्राम. You can learn more about it if you Google on YouTube Pink Noise or स्केट माउथ, जिसकी स्पेलिंग किसी को आ गई तो 100 रुपए उसको मैं नाम देता हूँ.
आप बता दें.
SCHUITEMA. So स्केटमा पाकिस्तान हमारे YouTube पे you can find कि हमने क्या क्या किया. For me the basic issue has been from this perspective. So I'll come to the answer to the question because मैं इस पहलू को इस नज़रिए से देखता रहा हूँ कि कितनी ज़्यादती हो रही है, क्या हो रहा है, किस किस बेहुदा शक्ल में ये आता है. Essentially it's a power play, right? और किस तरह कौन कौन क्या रोल प्ले करता है, नहीं करता है, कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. When the accusations and rubbish was coming around, which जो मेरा एक छोटा सा हिस्सा था उसका, was the allegations that were coming through. And let me say it on record, for the data that I have come across, always 90% of the allegations are correct. Okay, they're actually correct.
Right.
It's the 10% which are usually dubious.
Right.
Okay, I mean some form of correct and some form of dubious. मैं इतना कहूँगा. तो जनरल चांस है कि वो सही बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन प्लीज रियलाइज कि जो बुनियादी बात है वो है नाइंसाफ़ी की. नाइंसाफ़ी है कि अगर ख़ातून के साथ कोई ज्यादती हो रही है और होने दे रहे हैं और आप कुछ नहीं कर रही, और ये भी नाइंसाफ़ी का एक जरिया है कि किसी पर गलत आपने तोहमत लगाई है तो उसके पास क्या उसके साथ होता है, राइट? सो डंक मुझे there was a script that was offered to me during this time.
Really?
We've been wanting to do this. We've been sitting on it for so long.
Dunk was offered to you?
Not Dunk is
another one.
Another one.
Okay.
फिर Dunk on air जा रहा था, man, I lost track. I was focusing on my wife and the family. Then when this went on air, I was like, okay, this is about that. So मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि अगर जो बुनियादी पहलू है ना, जिसके साथ मैं हमेशा खड़ा रहा था और अभी भी खड़ा हूँ, कि नाइंसाफ़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट? उसके ऊपर आप ज़रूर नज़र रखें. लेकिन इसको बहाना बना के कोई हरासर जो है ना छुपना नहीं चाहिए.
मगर कौन डिसाइड करेगा कि हरासमेंट हुई है कि नहीं हुई है?
It has to be the due process of court.
But how? But there is no trust for the courts.
There's never been a trust for the court for the alleged as well.
Yes.
You know, कि उसको क्या justice मिली है? And frankly speaking, let's put it this way: in the cases that you and I know have happened in the massive, in our circles of media as well, allegations leveled, person's life destroyed, his daughters being harassed, imagine. Things like that going through. And I've gone through it as well. I've seen what my child has gone through, you know. And all that going through.
Right.
और फिर उसके हक में फैसला आया कोर्ट में, और कोर्ट जाके माजरत की है, लेकिन उसके साथ तो जो होना तो हो गया.
हो गया.
You can't undo that.
And this is what happened to the MA college professor, right?
Who committed suicide. His statement
was cleared.
He was cleared.
He was cleared in court.
He was cleared and he was committed. And he said कि I want my wife, my family, मुझे अपनी इज्जत वापस चाहिए. Please realize this. When all these things came through, the certain things that someone said to me, said कि देखो जब किसी की इज्जत के ऊपर कोई उछालता है ना किसी की इज्जत और उसे तकलीफ पहुंचती है तो यकीन जान जाओ कि उसकी इज्जत थी, right? So there was some honor to that person, and you
Yeah.
should respect that. साथ ही साथ the other thing that I have learned from this process in a very odd way, जो the old wisdom, the cliches कि लोगों का पर्दा रखना, जो कि मुझे कभी सही मानो में I couldn't appreciate it, क्योंकि मैं कहता कोई गलत कर रहा है तो फिर we should talk about it.
Name and shame.
Yeah, but I realized कि इसकी क्या wisdom है. Why is it that one of our great figures in Islam would say कि अगर सबकी बेपर्दगी होगी तो हर एक दूसरे का कत्ल करेगा. It's the news that I recently read about this young girl and her mother committing suicide because of a video or being violent. Broke my heart. कि हम लोग पर्दा भी नहीं रख सकते यार चंद लोगों का. चलो यार उसने किया है उसको किसी तरीके से उसको समझाओ रोको, but we don't do that either. So अगर आपने बेपर्दगी भी कर दी, आपने झूठा इल्जाम भी लगा दिया, you're done. There's no way that person can undo it.
You can't.
आज मैं अगर कहूँ Monica Lewinsky,
हाँ.
what's the first thought that people are thinking?
Bill Clinton.
Exactly. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And that woman, poor young lady, I mean not young anymore, she was young back then, look what she's gone through. So it's a muhr that we put on someone's face. It's the scarlet letter
Yeah.
that we have put in without even due diligence in many cases. So due diligence करें और फिर as per requirement.
I also think that in this particular field, harassment, there's also this undeniable human interest in sex. People want to know about it, talk about taboo है बहुत बड़ा. Taboo जहाँ होता है वहाँ लोग और interested होते हैं. अगर ये कोई और crime होगा तो इतने शायद interested नहीं हो.
Possibly, you're right.
Allegations वो भी है ना.
You're right. You're
so,
right.
And we are a very oppressed society, and ये सब चीजें जो हैं जितनी
you're
oppressed होंगी उतनी ऐसा कोई taboo निकलता है. It's like, oh my God, how high, let's talk about this.
Yeah,
It's become okay to talk about it now.
Yeah, that's right. Because there was while that rubbish was going online, one of my clients, जिनके साथ मैंने बहुत frequently काम किया in terms of gendered workplace, the Sayyid family, उन्होंने कहा कि आयशा, उसका नाम भी आयशा था. Aisha called me. She said, "Man, I want you to talk about this to our factory women and men." I said, Aisha, it's my obligation to let you know that this is going online. You know that, right? She said, I know, and that is why I want you to come on.
Yeah.
I mean, not just कि I know you, but कि तुम्हें अब वो पहलू नजर आया होगा कि तुम, and she was right. I'd never seen this perspective of it,
Right.
you know, at all. Which was a very difficult rope for me to walk,
Yeah.
because I did not want to discourage women from speaking up, right? Yet at the same time,
How do you protect them once they have?
it's just very difficult.
It's very difficult.
I'll give you a personal case without giving name. There was this one particular story that came out from I'm the general secretary of Actors Collective Trust. So there's one story that came out कि खातून ने कहा कि this gentleman और नेज़त बख्श रहा उन्हें थे PTV के एक स्टेशन पे जो कि बहुत रॉन्ची किस्म की उन्होंने उनको प्रपोजल किया. एंड जब मैंने करो था तो पता चला कि इनकी हिस्ट्री कोई गालिबन इस तरह की है. And she had evidence in her phone.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Which she had initially published on social media and then removed it.
Okay.
So I found a common person who's a wonderful lady in Lahore. And वो उसकी mentor भी रह चुकी हैं. मैंने उनका नंबर लिया खातून का. उस लड़की से मेरी बात की. उसको मैंने समझाया. मैं कहा देखो बेटा, सीधी सी बात है. You need one good case to shut these people up. एक को तुमने है ना मिसाल बनानी होती है. और जेनो तुम्हारे पास और लोगों के पास एविडेंस नहीं होता या corroboratives नहीं होते, genuine corroboratives नहीं होते. ये बहुत बड़ा मसला है. मुझे पता है कि जुडिशियल इश्यूज क्या हैं, लेकिन एक्ट इज स्टैंडिंग विद यू. वी हैव गॉट क्या नाम है, अली जफर द लॉयर, राइट, एंड मांडवेवाला, दिस इज हु इज नाउ अ सेनेटर. वी हैव गॉट देम स्टैंडिंग फॉर अस. You've got the entire police with you. You've got Naeem Tahir Saab, Hina Khwaja Bayat, Atiqa Odo. These are the board of trustees at the moment right now. These people standing with you. You've got this mentor that I've come through standing with you. हम तुम्हारे वालिदैन से मिलने आएंगे. तुम्हारी मर्जी है लेकिन तुमने करने के लिए. Because I know how difficult it is.
Absolutely.
It is so difficult.
It's heartbreaking actually.
It's heartbreaking.
Yeah.
उस बच्ची ने ना किया. मैं 4 दिन चुप रहा. And हिना जी से फिर मैंने बात की. मैंने बहुत मेरा दिल टूटा कि she's gone through this और इसकी वजह से उस उल्लू के पट्टे को एक और शय मिल जाएगी, वो और करेगी. You know, but I can understand also why she has it.
Yeah.
So what you said about the legal system, it is painful for both places.
Yeah.
Right? इशू ये होता है कि आपके ऊपर कोई इल्ज़ाम लगा दे तो फिर आउटसाइड द लीगल सिस्टम फिर आप उसके ऊपर जुडिशियल होना शुरू हो जाते हैं.
Has it ever been difficult for you?
For this particular?
After allegations were made?
Yeah, of course it's been difficult for me.
On a personal level?
Yes, it's been very difficult for me on a personal level because my particular case was more complicated because the primary target became Maida. The allegations essentially that were being leveled, which became increasingly terrible, were Maida.
That
My-
she had enabled it.
Not mine.
Yeah.
That wasn't the case. That people have seen just moments in myopic bits and pieces.
Yeah.
The allegation was so huge, where you've got two police inquiries going on, you've got a Senate inquiry going on, you've got an organization's internal inquiry going on. Kahin mera naam nahi aaya. No one was calling me. Nothing at all. This poor soul, my wife, with the LGS institution rubbish that went through.
Right.
So I had to attend to her. It was through them that I mean, it was for my family that I had to be able to, and I've seen how it takes the family down.
Yeah.
Let me say this out, I've never said this in any public forum. Mara ne mujhe kaha कि there's something happening on social media, right? And I was in Karachi. And मैंने कहा जानी सब बोलते हैं. I mean, we used to this.
Yeah.
What's rubbish is rubbish. Hate mongers are hate mongers. So मैं रात को अपने सारा कुछ clear कर रहा था, and I'm OCD that way, so I was looking at the Instagram thing. And the junk folder, मैंने कहा let me just delete that, or maybe someone's reaching out I don't follow. The first message written was, I wish that Myra's children are snatched away from her. I was taken aback. I mean,
Yeah.
usually I have a tough skin. These things don't penetrate, but someone talk about my wife, my children, ये क्या हो रहा है? Then I explored.
Yeah.
I mean, क्या बकवास हुई है? And it could not be further from the truth. That is what upset me.
Yeah.
Myra's been the flag bearer for this cause. She has fought tooth and nail and meant it. She doesn't know how to fake it. She's a proud granddaughter of Justice Sardar Iqbal, who says this either honest or dishonest. You know, that's who she is. And she was being called this. I was like, how horrible is that? So you can imagine how traumatic
Bilkul.
it's been.
Yeah.
My son being bullied off the playground.
Yeah.
You know, you can imagine. अब वो जितना भी कहते नहीं, इनका कोई कसूर नहीं था. किसने सुना?
Yeah.
किसने undo किया?
Yeah.
Depression set कर लिया ना? And that's it. So that's what I've been attending to. मेरा तो कोई, I felt as if there's
Yeah.
nothing to me. मेरे लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Some random people just said something and went off, and I said, okay, let's give 3 weeks. I give 3 weeks. Please, someone step forward. Something. Nothing. It's when people started lying and exaggerating by lies. So I sent 2 notices to one organization, which is a news organization, and
Right.
I messaged the owner as well. I said, "Okay, what are they doing in your name? Your good name's going dirty. Please check करें, verified जो है, report करें. It was alleged,
Right.
right? Which is fine. This is your job. You're reporting it. It's alleged. And one gentleman, I made a point. I'm not going to report any female because I don't want to discourage. गलत भी discourage नहीं करना. करो. You know, you need to encourage. I want to encourage my daughter कि बेटा कोई चीज़ हो बोलो. But make sure कि नाइंसाफी ना.
नाइंसाफी नहीं हो.
That has to be very,
Yeah.
very important.
Right.
So it was difficult. It was very difficult for us. We've, I think, come through, alhamdulillah. राज़ी खुदा की ज़ात है. I have an absolute faith in that. और इंसाफ, हक जो है हमने खुदा से मांगे. That's it. And I think you leave it that way.
Right.
Let's see how things go.
Let's see how things goes, and let's also move the conversation to a lighter note.
Please.
Lighter ending note. अब आपका
बाहर वाले लोग भी चले
आपका
गए.
फर्ज बनता है, बाहर वाले लोग भी चले गए. आपका फर्ज बनता है आप लोगों को दें something to look forward to in Dil Na Umeed.
Well, well, it's all
Now
been,
that you've taken us to such a dark place,
it's all been recorded, so I don't know how much I'm going to do. I can't shave this because I'm growing this for another character. So
before we get to Dil Na Umeed, at the conclusion, then tell me what have you signed up for now?
I signed up for a film.
Really?
Yeah, I signed up for a film.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. So this is that
Feature film.
feature film.
With?
It's a team from Islamabad, so I'm waiting for them to disclose the details. So
Okay.
that's the max I can say at the
Right,
moment.
right.
Except that I'm taking my face around.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's that. I've done that. I'm doing a serial. That's why I'm here, which was fantastic. I work with Farooq Rind, Mayra Khan, and Kubra, and I'm working again. It was so nice to see her again. So we're doing that.
Is this Myra Khan's television sort of comeback drama?
Yeah.
Super.
Which is such a pleasure.
Really?
Such a pleasure. और वाकई बहुत मजा आया.
Yeah.
So we did that yesterday. And what else have I signed up for? I've been meaning to sign up for one other serial. Let's see if it comes through. I'm hoping it does. Let's see. Then I've signed up for small OTT things.
Okay, fun.
इतनी मजेदार
Fun,
scripts हैं.
yeah.
There's such good scripts.
Huh.
So I couldn't say no.
Yeah.
And then creative freedom जैसे हमने कहा ना वो मिल जाती है.
मिल जाती है.
And I did that, working with various people like Surya Javed and whatnot. So let's see. Some good scripts coming.
Good script coming out.
I might now sign for a theatre play,
Excellent.
which is going to be in Karachi and hopefully in Lahore.
Well, I'm hoping the theatres get to open up. sometime this
We're,
year.
we're hoping.
We're
By
hoping.
the time we're doing so, we speculate it is going to.
Bilkul.
By the time हमने करना है.
Right.
So and it's I haven't been told not to leak, so I'm gonna say it.
बिल्कुल
All
सही
right?
है. हाँ.
It's true, documented, researched, inspired, partition-based content.
अच्छा.
So it's
Pretty cool. Cool stuff happening out there.
Coincidentally, living a life of one of my ex-students and her husband.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that should be fun.
So I'm really excited about
That
that.
should be fun. Something definitely to look forward to. And until that happens,
Yeah.
now you have to leave us with something to look forward to in Dil Na Umeed.
Well, then now, Meet, you should definitely watch because Kiran nazar aayegi kahin na kahin.
Because Zulfi is going to be the knight in shining
Well,
armor. Or not.
I don't know, but definitely Kiran nazar aayegi, and it picks up pace. It gets very adventurous.
Right.
It gets tooth and nail kind of stuff. It goes very fine.
Of course, everybody's waiting for that first meeting that Sumbul has with Jamshed.
Yeah.
वो बचपन
वो
का
भी
जो-
होना है.
हाँ.
And if you think that's going to be the big thing, there's so many other things that are going to happen.
Okay.
I mean, that's not just the only. और भी बड़ा कुछ होना है.
हाँ.
So it's going to become tuck.
So again, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, जिन्होंने नहीं देखा, वो please YouTube पे देखें जाके. It's so
Please,
important to watch this drama.
Please जरूर देखें और दूसरों को
हाँ.
दिखाएं और उसके ऊपर गुफ्तगू करें और तरफ तहम्मुल से गुफ्तगू करिएगा और तहम्मुल से मुराद ये है कि अगलों को सुने और लकुम दीनुकुम वलिय दीन के हिसाब से चले.
हाँ.
So but do watch it and I would recommend everyone to watch it. और this is a good time to catch up.
Yes.
ये मैं जरूर कहूँगा. अभी जाके binge
हाँ.
कर लें पिछली 11 किस्तें और क्योंकि आगे जो है ना it's going to be tuck.
Tuck.
It's going to be great fun.
It was great fun talking to you, Mayor. Thank you so
Pleasure.
much.
Thank you.
As always, and we'll keep in touch. You're doing so much now. अब तो मुलाकात होती रहेगी.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.